Hi, Yoga with Perumal here, keeping it simple and keeping it direct. Our one series videos has been re-edited. These were originally done in Milan, Italy, and after 10 years, the method has evolved and certain things I've considered to be better off, such as removing as much of the knee raises, leg lifting maneuvers, which is associated with the iliopsoas muscle group. They have basically been removed. But also they're removed for specific reasons to allow those who are coming in with a lower back issue or those who are coming in with some weakness in the core area to avoid potential strain. And we've also added some music. Simultaneously, the 1A through 1D has been compressed down from 4 to 3 videos. This will make it so that you will have an easy, short 20-25 minutes of practice time to get yourself ready, get your joints ready to go into the 2 series videos, which involves sun salutations. Thank you again. I hope you like the music that has been added in. Do let us know in the comment section if that is fine for you, or would you prefer without music or something else.